The lemonade stand is coming up. I wonder who we should donate to this year.
I heard the theater needs some repairs. Maybe if we run now, we could catch Dr. Lucas after work.
Now, kids, can't you see I'm exhausted. I just finished up with a big production of Pippin down at the Stagehands Theater, and I need to relax and de-stress. So whatever it is, it's going to have to wait.
But it's really important. Can we please just have 1 minute of your time?
Not now, kids. I'm sure you're all very talented. Well, maybe not all of you, but you're going to have to wait till the auditions come out, and we'll give you a holler then. So beat it, you little dirt bags, and take your little dirt bag friends with you.
Dr. Lucas, we don't want to audition. We heard the theater needs renovations and we want to help.
Oh, well, now that's a horse of a different color. That's a really wonderful of you guys. Perhaps apologies are in order. Yes, the theater does need some help. The marquee is literally rotting off, and we need about $8,000 to $10,000 to fix it.
Well, that sure is a lot of money. But our community has been very supportive in our lemonade stands in the past. And I think we could make a good dent in that. What do you think?
I think that's a wonderful idea. I take back that dirt bag comment. You kids are all right.
But you're not bad yourself, you crotchety old man.